The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2020 through 2024 Subaru Outback non-wilderness with the factory rail system. So we've just removed the factory swing out crossbars and replaced it with the Yakima JetStream SkyLine base rack system. So this is made up of the JetStream load bar, 50 inches in length, black shown here, the SkyLine towers, which have a quick release feature that you just saw. All that is connected to the vehicle using the custom landing pad 27. So that's a complete set of 4. So altogether, you have your complete rack with a 165-pound weight carrying capacity, and crossbars are spaced at 30 inches center to center. Locks are available separately. They are recommended, but you don't have to get them. Strictly a security element, but with the quick release feature, good idea to consider it. Great rack for all different sorts of gear, bikes, kayaks, even some rooftop tents. So that's just a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this system with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. That's going to be it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.